Hello, namaste. My name's Maxine. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I lead the Moving Into Balance retreat at Oneworld Retreats in Bali. Today I'm going to take you through Surya Namaskar A, or Sun Salutations. Sun Salutations are used to warm and limber up the body. So we'll take 2 rounds. The first will be a gentler variation, and the second will be a little bit more challenging. Find your mountain pose. Big toes to touch, little gap in the heels. Push down through the balls of the feet, push down through the heels. Roll the buttocks down, reach the fingertips to the floor. Lift the crown of head up towards the sky. Slight tuck of the chin. Take a deep inhalation, turn the palms out. Begin to lift the arms all the way up. Take your gaze with you. As you exhale, soft knees forward, fold hands through the midline. Let the neck and the head go, let it be long. Soften the knees to allow the belly to rest on the thighs. Lift the sit bones high. Take an inhale, come to a half lift, fingertips onto the shins. Pull the shoulders back. Exhale, soften the knees, plant the hands to the earth. Step back to a high plank position. For the gentle variation, we'll drop the knees. Bend the elbows back, half chaturanga, coming all the way to the earth. Inhale, squeeze the shoulders together, push the pelvis down, tops of the feet into the mat. Think length here. Exhale, take the hips to the heels, tuck the toes, pike the hips skyward. Ardha Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Check your fingers here. Make sure they're spread, the knuckles pushing down. Think length through the back by pushing into the hands. Take the sit bones high. You can soften the knees here to lengthen through the spine. Keep the feet hip width apart. Your next inhalation, soften the knees, look forward. Step with the left, step with the right, straight to your half lift. Exhale, forward fold, soften all the way down. Inhale, reverse swan dive, palms out, reach up, take the gaze with you. Exhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. Deep inhalation. Find your mountain pose once again. Push down through the balls of the feet. Inhale, turn the palms out, reach skyward, take the gaze with you once again. Exhale, soft knees, forward fold, Uttanasana. Lift those sit bones nice and high, let go the neck again. Inhale, half lift, maybe this time leaving the fingertips to the earth, or maybe the hands flat to the earth. Take a deep inhale, soften the knees, look forward, lift the heart, jump back, straight to chaturanga. Inhale to up dog, lift up through the heart, thighs and knees off of the floor. Exhale, downward dog, Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Lengthen through the side waist, keep lifting the sit bones nice and high. Remember to breathe, deep inhalation, push down through the fingers. Take a deep inhalation, bend knees, look up. Little hop to the front of your mat, straight to half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive, lift on up, look up. Exhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. Okay, now I'm going to take you through 2 rounds for hip opening sequence. Find your mountain pose. Running through our Surya Namaskar sequence. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale to a half lift. Exhale, step or jump back, high plank. Take your flow. Downward dog. I'm going to step through with the left leg. Deep inhalation, plant the left foot in between the hands. Pivot the back foot so the outer blade is parallel with the short edge of the mat. Lifting the arms, windmill them open. Take your gaze or drishti in front of your middle finger. Keep rotating each thigh away from each other. Push into the outer blade of the back foot. Engage through the back leg. Your next inhalation, reach forward as far as you can. Take the left elbow onto the knee. The right arm can come to the side waist, to the sky, or overhead. Fingers pointing forward, palm down. Keep spiraling that right side of the chest up towards the ceiling. Keep pushing down through the outer blade of the back foot. Deep inhale, keep your lunge, lift back up to warrior two. Begin to straighten through the front leg. Reach forward as far as you can. Tip over, Trikonasana, triangle. Keep lifting up through the right side of the chest. Keep breathing. Create some length in the side waist. Inhale, soft knees again, come up to your warrior two. Take a little step forward, tip over, left hand to the floor, right arm to the side waist or up to the ceiling. Begin to rotate your right hip to stack on your left, dorsiflex through the back foot. Inhale, soft knees, lift up to warrior two. Flip the front palm. Exhale, exalt your warrior. Lunge a little deeper into that left side. Next inhalation, both hands come to the floor. Step back to high plank and take your flow. Let's move through the right side. Lift the right leg, draw the knee to the chest, plant the foot in between the hands. Pivot that back foot once again, outer blade, parallel with the short edge of the mat. Inhale, lifting up to warrior two, strong drishti over your front middle finger. We're going to reach forward to our Parsvakonasana again, and there's some options. We can take the same variation as before, or we might grab a block, place it on the inside of that foot, whichever way you'd like to. Open up through the chest, and again, take your arm position. Deep inhale, come back up to warrior two. Straighten through the leg, reach forward, and again, maybe we use our block. Deep inhale, lunge, come up to warrior two. Coming forward to our half moon pose again, Ardha Chandrasana. This time using the block to bring the floor a little closer. Hand to the side waist or up to the sky. Stacking left hip upon right. Deep inhale, drop that foot, come up to warrior two. Flip the front palm, exhale, exalt your warrior. Inhale, deep windmill, hands to the floor, step back, high plank, take your flow. Few breaths in down dog. Inhale, bend knees, look up, step or lightly hop to the front of your mat, straight to your half lift. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. Okay, so let's cool it all down with a forward fold. For this first variation, we'll use the strap. So let's find Dandasana staff pose. The hands come to the side of the body, pulling the toes back towards the face. Grabbing our strap and wrapping it around the balls of the feet. Lifting up the heart, nice straight arms on the strap. This takes out the rounding of the spine, which is the natural tendency in this pose. Lift the chest up, and as you exhale, just begin to walk your hands down the strap. If you reach your feet, you can let go of the strap. Hold on to big toes with index finger and middle finger. Lift the chest on an inhalation. And as you exhale, take the elbows out to the side, pulling all 10 toes back towards the face, blowing the belly down onto the thighs. To release, inhale, lift the chest, and come back to Dandasana. And now our most important pose, Shavasana. Coming down to lying. Take the arms to the side of the body. Allow the feet to fall out. Let go of any breath control. And soften down. I hope you enjoyed that sequence. Thank you. Namaste.